Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 7th of October 2019. Okay guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it so that you can keep on getting the forex trading analysis from my side. Okay guys, as you know that I have mentioned in my signals report with a note today in the morning that the market will keep slow because today it's Monday and we do not expect a very good momentum. However, the momentum was slow on few pairs, but we have some decent moves on 3 pairs, so I'm going to talk about those pairs. But first of all, let's get started with the slow pairs. Great Britain Pound USD with a bullish expectation from 123.130 and 123.798 is the target price. So guys, you can see this is due to the Monday that the momentum is slow, but overall if you look, the market is slightly starting pushing up as per the signals report that I have supplied, that the trend is bullish for Great Britain Pound USD. So if you have done scalping on Great Britain Pound USD, then you must have taken some sort of profit, but overall the momentum is slow on that particular pair. Okay, now let's talk about USD JPY. This signal is just on the way, and USD JPY with a bullish expectation from 106.952 and 107.468 is the target price. You can see the candle is pumping up, it's breaking the entry, and if it continues its pattern like this, then it can reach up to 107.468. So overall I am bullish on USD JPY. I have done scalping, so because it's good to do scalping on Monday when the pairs are making the smaller candles like this. Look at the pattern from the previous candles. The pattern is telling you that the market is slow, so whenever you see slow momentum, so rely on the smaller profits on that particular pair. Okay, at next we are going to talk about AUD USD. I have taken a bit early trade on that one, but overall I am bullish on AUD USD from 067450 and 067832 is the target price. Guys, you can see the market has just entered into our entry zone, and this signal is given on the basis of the daily chart, and if it continues its bullish pattern like this, then it can reach up to 067832. Okay, now let's talk about the pairs that moved in a very decent manner. So first of all, let's get started with Great Britain Pound JPY. So Great Britain Pound JPY with a bullish expectation from 131.515 and 132.028 is the target price. So guys, now you can see a decent moves are seen on Great Britain Pound JPY, and the market has already moved up and it's about to touch the target price. So congratulations to all traders who have taken the buy positions today on Great Britain Pound JPY. As per my recommendation, they must have ended up with very good profits because that was a very easy signal from my side. At next, a very easy and a massive signal, Euro JPY. Euro JPY has moved so much high, and Euro JPY signal was bullish from my side right in the morning from 117.227 and 117.583 was the target price. And guys, you can see big moves. Now look, you cannot see smaller candles in appearance. You can see the market was going massively. So this is how you need to trade. When the candles are very small in a very small pattern, you need to rely on smaller profits. But whenever you see that the market is pumping high, it's making big candles, then enter into the direction as per my signal report and catch good profits. Guys, this is how we trade our signals. Okay, at last I'm going to talk about AUD JPY, and AUD JPY with a bullish expectation from 72015 and 72286 was the target price. And guys, you can see the market has already break my entry, and we have 3 to 4 candles above the entry in a bullish manner. So overall that was the perfect signal to trade, and if you have traded this one, then you must be in a very good profits. We don't talk about the losing trade on in our videos. So overall, if you have done the trading as per the methodology that I have given you, then you must have ended up with good profits. Okay guys, now let me tell you about the trading system. This is for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel. Let me explain. Whenever you see that the market is into the top red boundary and it's getting the rejection, like the candle was pumped so much high and then it was rejected from here, then you can sell the pair, and look, the pair has went down. And whenever you see that the market is into the lower red boundary and it's gaining the momentum like it happened with Euro JPY today, then you can buy the pair. And guys, this is how we use the trading system. And moreover, the scalper has also pointed you with a white signal to buy the pair, and then it moved up. Now you can ask a question that why there is a red signal in the lower red boundary. So we ignore red signals in the lower red boundary because the lower red boundary is telling us this is the oversold level, so we cannot sell it anymore. We seek white signals here. So white signal was a good signal, that was, and also my signal was also bullish, and the market went perfectly fine as per the signals report. So overall guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators, if you want to get my video lessons, or you want to request for us for one-to-one Skype coaching, or guys, if you want to learn that how I prepare this signals report that I'm bullish and bearish on particular pair, this signal report is based on a trick, and if you want to learn this trick, I teach for 3 days on Skype, and I charge $700 for this trick, and after that you will be able to generate your own signals. There will be no need for any signal subscriber signals provider after that if you learn this thing from me. So guys, if you are interested in any of the service, then please send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please do like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.